Freddie the Fox is hopping through the forest. Suddenly, he meets a friendly frog. Freddie says, "Hi, friendly frog. What are you doing in the forest?" Friendly frog replies, "Hello, Freddie. I'm finding fun things. Come join me." Freddie and friendly frog find a field full of flowers. Freddie says, "Look at the flowers. They are so colorful." As they walk, they find a fountain splashing with water. Freddie says, "Wow. A fountain. Let's splash around in it." Friendly frog says, "Fountains are fabulous fun." Freddie finds a feather floating in the air. Freddie says, "A feather. It's floating like magic." Friendly frog says, "Feathers are fluffy and light." Freddie and friendly frog arrive at a farm. They see furry animals. Freddie says, "Look. A farm with furry animals." Friendly frog says, "Let's feed the furry animals some fresh food." Next, they come across a pond with fish swimming. Freddie says, "Fish. Fast fish swimming in the pond." Friendly frog says, "I love watching fish flip and flop." Freddie. Fish. Fast fish swimming in the pond. Friendly frog. "I love watching fish flip and flop." Freddie's family, the fox family, arrives with fruit for a snack. Freddie says, "Yay! My fox family brought fruit." Friendly frog says, "Fresh fruit. This is the perfect finish to our day." Freddie the Fox looks at everything he found and asks Friendly Frog to help him remember all the F words. Freddie says, "What a fantastic day. Can you help me remember all the things we saw that start with the letter F?" Friendly Frog says, "Of course. We saw a forest, flowers, a fountain, a feather, a farm, fish, fireflies, my fox family, and lots of fun." Freddie says, "Wow. The letter F is full of fantastic things.